Hi guys, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to present to you my individual project. For my individual project, I created a fortune teller app. I do want to mention that in the beginning of my individual project, I knew I wanted to do a fortune teller app, but I didn't really know how to go about it. Like, did I want to do just like a random one with a bunch of random questions that then output the fortune, or did I want to specify it to a certain topic? So I decided it would be easier for me to specify it to a certain topic. So I did a semester fortune teller app. What this semester fortune teller app is, it asks you 5 questions, and then after you've answered the 5 questions, it outputs a fortune. Okay, now that we know what my individual project is about, let's get into the app. So, as you can see here, my app has 4 classes. The first one is the fortune teller, which is the main. We have play game, which is the controller. And then we have player, which is the model. Any day now. There you go. And then we have user interface, which is my view. Okay, let's go through my player class first. So you guys all know this is just where I initialize my variables and then I put the getters and setters. Nothing interesting here. So I wanted to get from the user the name, the term is the semester, and then Q1, Q2, Q3. Those are all just question 1, question 2, and then etc., etc. Okay, now let's go to my user interface. So as we said, this is the view. And the first thing I have is obviously my scanner, my int exit equals 0, which is for the Boolean. And then we have my welcome, which is what we want to output first to the user. It has the instructions and everything right here. And then we also have our questions. So like, what's your first name? And then it returns the answer from the model class. We all know that. So that's what this part is right over here. And then we have all my methods into one, ask questions. And then I want to go through this first. We have my Boolean, which is, my if statement, and then my exit equals 1. So if the user presses 1, it exits. And then we have the exit message right over here. And then this one, the output fortune is just, it's outputting the fortune that we get from the controller. And then... But we'll see this one in the other class a little bit more. So let's go into our controller play game. So in here, the first thing that I have is my P equals new player, which is my model class, and then my UI equals new user interface, which is my view. So then you guys know why we did this, so that we can get certain values from other classes to this class. And then I have my fortune right here. So my fortune equals whatever this is. So then in here I have my array, my string brackets fortune array. And then I have a bunch of random fortunes that could be output to the user. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this, obviously, my fortune just initializes my array. Then I have my random RD equals new random, because this is just going to pick a random fortune from the array here. And then we have int random equals rd.nextInt. So this line, what it does is just it initializes the variable to pick a random string from the array. So basically, you guys all know how an array works. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what this just does is it picks like randomly 0 through 4. And then my return statement, it just picks a random string and returns it to the user. And then in here we have the public void play, which is my where I put my do loop. And this is what obviously, runs the game, and it outputs it to the user. And then the first thing I did was just do I want to output the UI.welcome first. And then I have my B model, and my B model is right over here. It's just, setting my names and outputting them, getting them from the input and all that. And then I want to output my fortune. So see, that's right. Oh, it was in my user interface, wasn't it? Yeah, there you go. It's right here. So I want to output this part into the console. So let's go back to my controller. And then I just have my while, exit app, message, and you guys know how that all goes. Okay, now let's quickly go through my main. So that one, just a play game, fortune teller equals new play game, and then fortune teller dot play. So you guys know what this means. I just want to play whatever is on the do loop and all that. Okay. So now that I've explained to you my app, how about we run it? And let's drag this a bit more over here. So this is my app, and this is my attempt on making a fortune teller ball, just in case you guys are wondering. So it says, welcome to Semester Fortune Teller. This app will read your fortune regarding your current semester, and then it just gives you the user the instructions: input your name, current semester, answer all questions truthfully. Console will output your fortune. Okay, and then we have a sign that says start here, so the user will know where to start. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm like someone that's playing this for the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna just input my information. What is your first name? So my first name is Karen. What semester are you in? So I'm gonna just stick with whatever it's in the example, because that's the semester I'm in. Fall 2019. Is this your first year attending college? Nope. Do you participate during class? Honestly, sometimes. Depends on the class. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by homeworks or tests? No, not really. Do you get distracted during class? Yes, I do. Can't help it. Do you study? Sometimes. Again, depends on the class. Okay, fortune. Despite how you've been doing, I see you trying harder and getting good grades. Nice. So press 1 to exit fortune teller. 1. Karen, I hope your fortune for fall 2019 was satisfactory. Don't hesitate to use me again if needed. This app will now close. And there you guys go. That is my app, my individual project. And then if you would just run it again, it'll, give you a different fortune. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and good luck to all of you and your individual project presentations. Bye-bye.